Bispen Chetri as the head coach of India team and Sangeeta Vastore as the captain. My question to the coach, coach, what specific preparations have you made for this match compared to your previous matches?
I think we can't come. I'm not audible. I guess so do we. So I think we have planned according to that.
Like this.
हमारी फाइनल है हमारी टीम में और हमारी टीम में मोटिवेट है और तैयार है फाइनल के लिए
What she's saying is, we have the final against Bangladesh. The team is motivated and we plan to swim that.
So now question is open to the press. Please raise your hands. Yes, madam.
इम्पोर्टेंट है और हम हमारी टीम एज अ टीम जो भी गोल करे हम एज अ टीम उसको आगे लेके जाएंगे
पहला स्टॉप करने में कितना गोल दिया आपने?
हमारा पहला गोल हमारी टीम के लिए एक मोटिवेशन होगा और पहला गोल करने से हमारी टीम को और एक मोटिवेशन आगे लेके जाएगा
What she's saying is, the first goal will be very important, obviously, and the team will be much more motivated after we score the first one.
Yeah, good afternoon, Coach. Rahul here. So my question, a little cliched.
I think I'm so happy to see so many here. That's the juice, and hopefully we'll see the same juice in the stadium tomorrow.
रेडी আছি ফাইনালের জন্য सॉरी हम लोग रेडी है फाइनल के लिए और एक फाइनल हमारे लिए एक बहुत मोटिवेशन है क्योंकि हम लोग तैयार है उसके लिए बस फाइनल खेलना है और जीतना है
Don't look at me.
We are ready to play the finals, and our goal is to win the game.
First pre-match media interaction, you stated the importance of development of the women's team rather than winning the trophy. Now that you're in the final, you experimented all through. You made 6 changes for the. You started with under 20 players in the first match. You made 6 changes for the second game. Made another 2 in the semi-final. You said previously that winning the title will be good for your CV, but may not be great for the development of women's football if you don't give other players a chance. So how do you approach an important final like this one against Bangladesh, who are chasing their third a hat-trick of titles, and India haven't won for the last 6 years? So how do you approach a final like this with so much at stake?
I think development of player is really important. Sometimes I think result is also important because I think like we discussed it during before last training session because we want to be there maintaining our FIFA ranking also. So that's for us to think about it and which game where we can put our youngsters. I think for the finals, I think we'll be going with our strongest team because Bangladesh is a good side. I think Bangladesh will do the same thing. So we want to go and win and get this championship back home.
जितना चांस मिले लड़कियों को उतना मिलना चाहिए पॉइंट्स पे देखें तो हमने भी ऑब्जर्व किया है कि बहुत सारी जो बिकॉज फैन साइकोलॉजी की बात करते हैं स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी अलग रहता है फैन साइकोलॉजी अलग बात है फैंस की डिमांड होती है कि जीतने की डेवलपमेंट तो अलग बात रहती है फैन साइकोलॉजी में एक चीज ये रहती है कि वो आप पर प्रेशर डालते हैं कि जीते एट द सेम टाइम डेवलपमेंट में हो बट अगर हार गए तो ट्रोलिंग मिलेगी बिकॉज फ्रॉम द पास्ट फ्यू वीक्स मेंस टीम का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है इंटरनेशनल लेवल में विमेंस टीम का तो ऑलरेडी प्रेशर आ रहा है बिकॉज वी नो दैट कि 5-6 साल में तो इंडिया विमेंस में ऑफ कोर्स वर्ल्ड कप में क्वालिफाई कर सकती है पोटेंशियल भी है बट थिंग इज बैकिंग और सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द फैंस जो घर पे बैठ के मतलब ट्रोल्स करते हैं और ये प्रीटी मच बहुत सारे लोगों ने देखा है तो इसमें आपकी क्या राय है इन द सेंस
First of all, what I like to say to those fans who follow Indian football also. I know we have not won SAF for 2 editions, yeah? But we're in all age groups, 17, 20 and senior. So what do you want? Winning SAF or winning AC in 3 age category? So I leave it up to them to decide, yeah? And see, it's their job, they can criticize us. it's their job, because I think they support football. But please don't do that at home only. Come to the field, come to the training session. Yeah, then you have the right to criticize me and my players also. But for me, I'm not much of a gadget freak, so what they are trolling, I don't know. So for me, it makes no difference.
Good footballer in Bangladesh squad like Anika Ritupurna, who scored a fantastic goal in semi-final Olympic Gold. So, do you have any special plan to protect them, like Ritupurna?
I have, but I can't share it with you. Otherwise, you go and tell Peter. So I have certain plans.
Match beating 3-0. So do you think it is going to be another easy work for India in the final?
Football is not that easy. I think Bhutan proved that point in the semi-finals. So every match is a different ball game. So I think the way we approach the game is important. And I think now the way we played against Bangladesh in the group stage. So now in the finals, I think Bangladesh will come with a different mindset, because they know they have nothing to lose, because they have already lost. So they have nothing to lose. For us now, we have to win. So I think now it's about the attitude, how we approach the game, and it will be a very interesting game, because it's completely different ball game for me.
One feel that India is a much tougher team to play against. However, during the semi-final post-match, you said that even winning the title will not really make a difference to Indian football. Could you shed some light on this irony or paradox, as it would seem?
We can say this as an irony, like before also what I have told them. Winning does matter also, but where we want to win, that we have to decide. Yeah? But like now we are in the finals. Now winning matters. Not when we are in the group phase or when semi-final we tried really young characters in the midfield, but now winning matters. But when you have reached all this way, I think nobody will remember us if we are runners. I think I heard an interview about Michael Phelps. I think he has won something 28 medals in Olympics, but he talked about only 21 medals. That was gold. He never talked about the silver medals. So nobody talks about the silver medal or the second runners. So now we have reached the last end, the last hurdle. I think we want to win it and retain the trophy. Yeah, we start with the game with 50-50, and like you said, in AFC we consider many goals, but sometimes failure is far more greater teacher than success. So I think we have come with a lot of learning from AFC, and we can't say only it's India and Bangladesh. Nepal is doing good, and you saw the character in Bhutan against us in the semi-final. So I think now gradually all teams in SAF is becoming competitive. I think that's the best thing we can expect from the SAF tournament.
Captain, very welcome to the press conference. My question is, Bangladesh lost 2 competition champion, last two times. This is their hat-trick chance. And India has played at home ground, home venue, home crowd. You are the strongest also. Are you afraid in between Bangladesh?
पर हम उनको एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और उनके गेम को एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और फायनल एज ए फायनल खेलेंगे.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.